Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Trendmood Lazy Turtle takeover box. So if that's something that you'd like to see, then let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is going to be a nice little short and sweet video. I have a couple other things that I'd really like to film. I know I do have the new Jeffree Star set still on its way. I ordered it on launch day and it is nowhere to be found. So it's supposedly in the mail somewhere. So, but once I get it, I'll film it. But anyway, we have the Trendmood box with Lazy Turtle as a takeover brand. This is a new brand. I've never heard of them before. So it's bodycare, shampoo, things like that. I've seen some folks with it, online, and I kind of went back and forth as to whether I really wanted this stuff or not. Because if you know me and you've seen my videos, I have a, Bath and Body Works, overpopulation, I guess you could say, going on. Plus, I have Sol de Janeiro is one of my favorites. Fenty, I love the Fenty body lotion and the shower gel. So I don't really need it. But I thought, you know what? It was only $39. Why not give it a try? I did have the code for the little bag that was supposed to come with this. So we'll see if it's in here or not. So I do have the steak knife of multi-purpose function here. And we will go ahead and open this guy. And it is kind of hefty. It's a hefty box. I like the little Lazy Turtle sticker there. That's kind of cute. But it is a takeover, and that means that all the products in this box are going to be by Lazy Turtle. Like Trendmood usually has multi-brand boxes, and this one's just Lazy Turtle. Oh, so this is interesting. So you see the tissue paper is yellow, and it's usually purple. So that's kind of cool. So I'll go ahead and open this up. And I do have the little bag. This is what it looks like inside so far. It's all, they always package their stuff so nice. So I smell it already. I smell like fruit, tutti fruity stuff. And here's a little card. It says, "Good Vibes Daily Rituals. Shop our collection, lazyturtle.com." And then you can follow them if you're interested at Lazy Turtle Beauty on Instagram and TikTok. So I'll put them on the screen here or here, wherever editing me decides to put them. And it tells you a little bit of a story about the brand back here. And it says it just began with a feeling, the easy rhythm of island life, slow mornings, colorful sunsets, and that fresh, carefree vibe that makes you want to breathe deeper and smile longer. These are designed to sell amazing, feel fresh, and remind you to slow down and enjoy. Okay. This is a clean, conscious, island-inspired brand made in the USA, free of parabens, sulfates, phosphates, and other skin irritants. Dermatologist tested, safe and effective, cruelty-free. Every product is designed to wrap your skin in sunshine, and infused with tropical fruit extracts, sea minerals, nourishing oils, and exotic botanicals, inspired by coastal ingredients from around the world. Nice. All right, here's that little bag. It's just a little mesh bag. It's not. It's like a fabric mesh. It's not plastic at all. There's a little bit of like vinyl on this side. It zips open, kind of nice. Be a nice little travel makeup bag, especially if you're going through the airport when they want to see, what's in bags. The first thing I wanted to see is which one I got for the body mist, and I did get strawberry peony, so that's cool. I don't have anything strawberry peony exactly. I'll spray it in the lid. Oh, this is nice. This is a very summery scent. This is a lot more sophisticated than I think the color would let you think. Because I think with the color and the style of the bottle, I'm thinking like you know, Body Fantasies or something, but not at all. This is a very, very, very nice scent. It's strawberry forward. The peony's like kind of in the background. It almost smells like a Solar, which I absolutely detest, but this one is really good. That is really nice. It's very summery. But there is like the afterthought of a sunscreen note. So beware that's there, because that, I don't care for that. So it could be that I like that initial smell because I really did. Usually with a Solar, if you've seen my things before, any of my videos that I've had a Solar, I hate them instantly. But this is really nice. I mean, I've sent Solar things back. I sent Killian back to Sephora, the one that they got us whatever, because it's Solar, and it just they just put me in a terrible mood. But this is really nice. Interesting, very different. I haven't smelled anything like this, so that's pretty cool. Okay, enough about the Solar stuff. Let's go on. This is Strawberry Citrus Smooth Sailing Hand and Body Lotion. We'll go ahead and give this a sniff. Oh, it's sealed. It is sealed. We'll take that off of there. Oh, this is different. Is there kiwi in here? Strawberry citrus. I kind of smell kiwi. So it is citrus forward. You can really smell like a mixed fruit, like mixed citrusy fruit smell. I don't get as much of the strawberry, but it's like more of a fresher strawberry. It doesn't smell anything like this. These are totally different scents. All right, let's go on. We have Soft Sands Body Scrub. This is in the scent Sunkissed Sugar, and it's sealed as well. And the color of this, in this style of packaging, reminds me of our friend Sol de Janeiro. Just this shade here. That's what I first thought when I saw this stuff online. It's a little bit like something like Sol de Janeiro. And how you have those bold colors, minimal graphics, kind of like they do. That's what this reminds me of. This does not smell anything like Sol de Janeiro. This is a sugar, but it's like that sandy texture, like the gritty sandy texture. Like you can see the sugar crystals there. But the smell of it is just like straight up like a cookie dough-ish type of sun-kissed sugar. Yeah, it just smells like sugar, like a cookie dough type of a scent. It is really nice, different. Next we have probably the thing I was most excited for is this Cocoa Glow Cocoa Colada body butter. I love a coconut. It has been very, very difficult to find just a regular coconut. No, you know, tutti frutti in it, no frangipani flowers, no Solar notes in a coconut, just plain coconut. So I just have my hopes up that this will be it. This is really nice. But instantly I smell, this smells like Sol de Janeiro's, was it 19? The Cocoa Colada. That's what this smells like. It is, to me, it's almost a dupe. And I love, that's one of my very, very favorite fragrances from Sol de Janeiro, is the Cocoa Colada. And I will put the correct number up here. I use it all the time and forget about it. Forget what the number is. This, now that it's on my skin, I don't smell it as much. Let me put it on this hand because I have those other fragrances on there. See what I think. It's very light. But that is exactly what that reminds me of, is the Sol de Janeiro Cocoa Colada. That's, yeah, but just a really lighter, different formula. But that's exactly what it smells like. So I think this is a lot cheaper. I think all these products, you can look at the website. I don't think they go more than $20 a piece. So that's pretty interesting. Next we have Lazy Turtle Coastal Cleanse Mango Papaya Shampoo. And I think there's a conditioner in here. This is the Mango Papaya Restore and Repair Conditioner. So I'm not going to open these. The where you push down and the little lid pops open is sealed with a plastic seal. I instead am going to put these in my giveaway for a couple of reasons. For one, I'm extremely picky about what I put in my hair. Right now, I will only use like Biolage as shampoo. I have used some shampoos, even one from Trendmood, and you know, they might be good 1 or 2 times, but after that, I go back to Biossance. You know, I haven't ever found a shampoo that cleans my hair as good and is for, you know, dry. As you can tell, my hair is very dry. So I'm very picky about the shampoos that I use. And for 2, I need a really deep conditioner, and I just have a feeling that these aren't going to be it. So, the only conditioner other than Biossance I've found that'll really help my hair is Lola V. So I have actually it was in one of the Trendmood boxes, maybe the last one. They had a Lola V hair mask. Oh my God, it's fantastic for my hair. But I'm not going to bother with these. I'm going to go ahead and put them in my giveaway. And I have a big giveaway with a lot of items that were in, like, say, the last 4 Trendmood boxes or so, including the whole Olaplex takeover box, which was the last takeover box from Trendmood. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And when I get to 500 subscribers, I will do another video, and we will do the like, comment, all that good stuff, and give that away. We have, oh, here's another body wash, Relax and Rinse. This is Tropic Passion. Let's see what I can open. Now, why is this different? Isn't there a body wash here? No, body scrub. All right. Let's see what this is like. Ooh, popped right open. Yeah, this is real tropical kind of a scent. I'll put a little bit here. Ooh, nice lotiony consistency. So it's a lotiony consistency. And it's just a regular, like a fruity tropical, like a pina colada, I guess you could say. Yeah, like a pina colada scent. Really nice. I kind of like that. And it's running out. So it's lotiony, but it's not thick. It's nice. It's a really nice consistency. So I'm actually excited to try that one. I think if you use this as your body wash, and you know, this is a scrub, and then you put like either the berry or the coconut lotion on, you're gonna smell pretty interesting, because you're gonna have all those different scents, you know, layered together, plus with like this on top. You're gonna smell like a tropical vacation. So that's kind of interesting. It's kind of interesting that none of them are the same, yet they all work together. I think that's kind of really neat. So anyway, oh, the bag also will be going in the giveaway, the little zipper bag with the shampoo and conditioner. So we'll go ahead and put that in there. So anyway, I don't want to be 100 years here. I think that's all there is to this box. What do you think of this box? What do you think of Lazy Turtle? Have you checked the brand out? Did you buy this box? Do you get Trendmood boxes? Let me know in the comments below. And as I like to say, don't be a stranger. Go ahead and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Stick around. We try to have a little bit of fun here. And that'll be all for today. So thank you so very much for taking the time to watch. And we will see you in the next one.